Since its establishment, the company has been adhering to the concept of multiple innovations, related to the research, development, sales and manufacturing of locks series products. The company's products cover door locks, traffic locks, padlocks, key blanks and smart car key shells. Started with the production of key blanks, and is a president unit of Yiwu Key Association. It has created two independent brands, Xianpai and JML. Successively launched a series of products such as two-color keys, crystal keys, mahogany keys, illuminated keys, key integrated managers, fingerprint lock folding keys, and has obtained 2 utility model patents and more than 20 appearance patents. In 2005, the company began product transformation, developing from ordinary door lock keys to smart door lock keys and car keys. It established a R&D center, independently began to design and produce molds for smart key shells, and cooperated with well-known door lock manufacturers at home and abroad, as well as the cooperation of many professional locksmiths, has opened the era of smart door locks and car locks. In 2010, the company established an e-commerce team and began to export its products abroad. Now its products are selling well in many countries including Southeast Asia, the Middle East, Russia, South America, and Germany. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a reliable reputation among our customers because of our professional services, quality products and competitive prices. Looking forward to your arrival to our company and giving us